Hi, I'm Nick Schupbach with PuroClean of Melbourne, here to talk to you about common questions that I get every day working with mold. So here we'll take you through a couple of the very common ones. So a lot of people ask me about mold prevention. And in Florida, this can be something very, very, very important. There's two things you should always do. One, you should always get your air ducts cleaned once a year, minimum. You should also have your carpets cleaned at least once a year minimum. These are the filters to your house, and these are the things that affect your indoor air quality the most. You should also have your system checked every 6 months by a licensed HVAC company. This will help ensure that your system is working properly at all times and that you won't have any mold coming through. And this has been PuroClean of Melbourne. Thank you for your time today, and thanks for learning about common questions in mold in Florida.